Hello guys, today I will show you how to add text. This video is for the beginners. How I will add text. Very simple. Just come over to this place like this. Come over to this place. When you click it like this, then you will see if it is quote you want. Like you go over to quote, but you are the one adding the text of the design, maybe the title of the program. You have to click this plus sign here. When you click it like this, it will open. Then you will see edit. Then you will cancel anything here, the original text the app carries. Then let's assume we're talking about Sunday. Then for you to make it everything you write down to be in capital letter, just click here, everything will be just in capital letter. Let's check it out. Can you see it? You click OK. Look at your text here. Let me change the background of this so that you can see it well. Look at the text here. Then maybe the font, you don't like it, just go over to font here. Anywhere you see font, you click it, bam. Wait, it will open. Then for those of you that don't have your own font, I'll be choosing font from my own. As you can see, you will see something like fonts here, but here is my own font. You can see my font here is my own font. Then I go over to my own font. Then I'll choose any font I want. I can use this. I can any font. I have up how many fonts here? 1000 fonts I use for design. Anyone I like. Let me use this one so that it will be good. Yes, here is the font. If the text is like you are designing, you want to align it, you can align it here. You can do many things. You can space it. If the text have 2 words, like let me show you what I mean. If the text has 2 words like this, you can adjust it. You can do it till you get what you want. Here is to move the text. But let's align it. Can align it like this. But let's close the gap. Come over to this one. As you can see, the gap is closing, but I want it like this. Then you can still add color or shadow, even stroke. Here is the stroke. You can increase the stroke like this. Then shadow, you can add shadow. I hope you are seeing the shadow. Look at it. You can add shadow. You can add shadow if you want. Then inner shadow, the shadow will be inside. Can you see it? Here is the editing part. Like in graphics, anything you put on, you have to design it. You have to touch it for it to be designed. Like you have to design it. Look at the text here. I have made this text look so good. I've added 1 or 2 to make it come in a good way. Like if you have PixelLab, you can do many things. Like PixelLab is for mobile designers, those of you that don't have laptop. Let me go over to color. Choose any color. I'll change it to yellow, black, but let's go to white in case I want. This is happy Sunday here. If you want the Sunday to be another color, look at what you do. You remove this place. Sorry. You remove this place like this. You remove happy. Then look at the color. You are only changing the Sunday there. You are only changing the Sunday. This is how to add text and edit it